Hello everyone, nice to have you here, and it's a pleasure to be here in South Summit in the Catalyst. So nice to meet you, Ivo.
It's a pleasure, and I just wanted to say that my mind is blown. The first time I heard about the project and what kids are doing is just super impressive. So, round of applause to everyone that is here because it's amazing.
Okay, Ivo, so I want to start talking about our story. So let us know what was your first project and what do you learn with it?
So obviously my first project failed, like many others, and that's kind of like one of the biggest lessons that I wanted to share with you and with your friends, that you will be failing again, but this is like a part of the journey. So when I was 20, I started some sort of a social commerce website that was trying to combine social media and e-commerce. It was a very interesting learning experience. And then there was one of many other attempts to build something that will be useful to people, solve some problems, and here we are 16 years later talking about it. So yeah, it's definitely a journey that you're already on the journey.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I'm start when I'm 8 years old because I joined Genius School and I start creating projects. First of all, my idea was to create robots with artificial intelligence, but it's it's very hard. So my second idea is to create like Google Maps for supermarkets, but no one of these works. So I say, okay, let's do something that is not a big idea, but it's real. So
Yeah.
I bought a 3D printer and I start 3D printing for businesses like kitchens, a lot of things like that, and I earn a few money or so money with this, and it was incredible, not for the money, for the learnings, because
Yeah.
I think that in our age, the thing is not to have money, to have millions, is to have contacts, to have experience, and also to have learnings. What do you think about this?
100%, I would add passion. It always helps when whatever you're doing, you're finding joy with this. And even if you're failing, but failing with joy, that you get energy to try again and like explore new ideas. So I think whatever you have in your mind, as long as it gives you like energy in the morning to start doing this and then like continuing, this is like the best. So
Yeah.
passion.
Yeah, I think the same. And right now, I think that we can talk about artificial intelligence
We can,
because it's
definitely.
going to be the future, I think. So now I'm developing the beta of SmartBridge. SmartBridge is a software that helps engineers design bridges with a lot of AI, big data inputs, and I use a lot of AI on it. We are developing the beta with AI, with Cloud Code, with a lot of agents. So what do you think about AI? Do you think that it's going to be something very nice or it have problems?
Uh, Definitely no one has the answer. So there are definitely good things and the progress that it can make and help us humans tackle various issues. But definitely there will be also challenges. So I think this is like you said, it's the future / it's already happening. And unfortunately, not many people are already embracing this. So maybe a question to the audience. Who is using AI daily? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so it's early adopters audience, very good. So I think like the thing that is like super important is that you need to literally spend time on relearning and rewiring your brain in order to like incorporate artificial intelligence, because it will happen and you don't want to be left behind. But the other thing is that it would be good if we still have human first approach and that we're building this for us as humans and that we're developing solutions that are actually tackling problems that we as humans have, right?
Yeah, I think that there's something important in what you say, that is to use AI correctly, because I heard this on a podcast, that is to use AI like the Iron Man armor to improve your capacities, your
Yep.
abilities,
Yep.
and not to do your work. And I think that this is very important, because right now I think that like invest in AI, invest in learning how to use it is one of the best things that you can do,
Yeah.
because it requires time to learn,
Yeah.
but it's going to be incredible in the future. And right now, a lot of people is doing incredible things with AI.
And I think what is really important, especially looking from the education perspective, and I bet we have a lot of parents here, is that AI is changing the learning process, because the answer can be produced instantly. Like you can ask AI and get an answer. So we're like shifting from memorizing things into actually thinking how I can leverage the knowledge to do something with it, right? And I think this is brilliant what you're doing and your friends with like creating projects, ideas, products, because it's really about creating something tangible, solving a problem, and this is also how you learn. You need to expand your knowledge. So this is like a big shift that is impacting the work, but also the education. So a lot of the things that we had in our minds that this is how things should be done, it's no longer true. So you need to also sometimes question if this is the right thing that you're doing.
Yeah, and I also think that there are a lot of business that right now there is only one founder that have a lot of employees but are AI agents. Like right now, for a few or for a little money, you can have an employee that or an agent that helps you with your business, with your email, with your WhatsApp to have new clients. So what do you think about this? Do you think that we have to use a lot of AI or to use both,
Yeah.
like the human capacity
Yeah.
and the AI?
Definitely, there is this prediction that soon, this year, maybe next year, there will be world's first solopreneur, so just a single person running a company that will be a billionaire, which is like mind-blowing if you think about how many people you needed to build a large corporation, large startup, scale-up, etc. So definitely this is the future, when you can have this like superpower, many
Yeah.
superpowers that are helping you with many things. So this is another paradigm shift. You don't need to build large teams. So that's definitely a future, and very, very inspiring.
Yeah, I think that it's going to be awesome to have a lot of AIs co-working
Yeah.
with humans,
Yeah.
because it's going to we are going to have all the capacity of the AI and also the mind of
Yeah.
a human.
It will be really like an orchestration, right? So you're in charge of what needs to happen, right? You're deciding we need to do this, and we need to do this, and we need to do this. And then you're coming back after an hour, and one thing is already done for your review, and you can accept it, you can give feedback, right? And maybe the other task will be done in like 5 hours because it's like so complex. So it's also changing like the way how you interact with this.
Yeah, we have no time left, so
Yeah, we could be
I
talking
want
for hours.
yeah, I want to say that if there is one person that don't use AI on their work, on their lives, use it, because it's incredible, and you can do a lot less work with AI and do the work that you do much better.
Yeah, and there are also some predictions that AI will bring a 3-day work week, 2-day work week, right? So it could be fun if we can work less and then have more time for our hobbies, our families, right? Sounds utopian, but maybe we'll arrive in this world, and maybe this will be the world that you will be co-creating. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed for all the ideas and for all your friends.
Yeah, it's a awesome conversation. We saw people learn something, and it's a pleasure to talk with you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.